My favourite car at this particular show today would be the Jaguar XK140. My name is Damon Sykes. The car is a 1932 MG J2. They made these cars in 1932, 33 and 34. This is a 1933 model.
My name is Nick Shale and this car is a 1966 Dodge Charger. I saw it one night on Craigslist and I had a moment of impulsiveness and I bought it. Now it was running but it was in a rough state, so I had to do a bit of work on the engine, then ran it through an MOT and it was good to go.
The appeal of it, I suppose, is you meet like-minded people. It's interesting to see other cars. It's a nice day out, isn't it? It's not too expensive and it's good fun. My name's Jim Pike and this is a 1953 Bentley Mark VI Special. My dad was involved in restoring Bentleys, and at the time he was working at the Rover in Solihull, and he left the Rover and decided to start his own business. And him and his partner built 5 of these cars. This is the first one that he built for my mum, and she wanted a red Alfa Romeo, so we built the Bentley from a saloon, a big black saloon, to this red Special that looks like an Alfa Romeo kind of recreation. And there's 5 of these cars that are very, very similar.